Di menta ka janmit haka review meeting ila rai susu na kaliang jong sarkar. Ba ye ki hotels ki badon hapok ka jela ka jungi en sa pleno nadu ka shitrik ubnai Julai arpo batru yakane ngisim yakarai hadin bangilayo ya ka report ki inputs baro na ki deputy commissioners hapo jong ka jela ka jongi but ya ki SOPs protocols nakalian ke sarkar kala penkrek ban isu menta syabro ki deputy commissioners bakin sngau bha ban le ya kabadon kam kata kade ka wei ka rai ka bangia shim menta ka sngi bat ka baar ku mangala kren menne ka baar ka isu ka bangi discuss ba hadin ba ki positive cases kinangkiu nangkiu hapo Assam bat kumjuru nakaliang jong ka sarkar Assam menne kilarai bandon biang ka total lockdown hapo Guwahati haka nongba ka jongki nadu ka arpo pratrik jong une ubnai na kamenta artayo te nakaliang jong ka sarkar jongi ngila ai ya ka direction lengbau chief secretary ba penmi ia koda lemba jongki district administrations ban appeal kerpang ya borok kinong snong jong gejela bakin sngau bha ban sangat ban lek siapo Guwahati lane siapo Assam like no kitu kikam ki bomla kiarshu bat kataru da ki application bat ka NOC kabansa ai lengba ki deputy commissioners jong kajela mikla jongi te kata kade kabenta ka bangi kren menne hadin bang yo ya ki case bat kumla ong i honorable health minister menne ngio i bakato ka case positive case ka bangi yo menneru nang the na Ribhoi district utu u samla udai uba usyong seti sipo Assam la kumba arbanai bat kabaar mdei tangkata mdei tamusyong po Assam arbanai hagwati udai ru unongkit ubanya kali ubakit ya kane kadut ban supply dut seti sipo Assam te adin bangyo i yakini ke na kata kadau na kaliang jog sarkar ka ai biang ya ko order syabro ki deputy commissioners bakin sngau bha ba ya ka jinglet syabar jong ke jelaru kandon biang ke restriction kenang ba ki paj ba jongi kenong save nang ne syakmat kata kadai ke benta ka baar ka ba ngi ya kren hapo ka review meeting bat ka balai meneng ya kren susu aka isu ke bedai bat ketu ka decision ke benglashim. The decision that we taken last time relating to the tuition fees, school fees, notification, draft notification has been approved by the government. I think today, if not today, tomorrow positively, notification will come out. And then I would request all of you, you can find out from Education Department the details of the notification. But notification is being prepared. Hopefully tonight or tomorrow it will come out. And second point, not only that, the notification will also come out not only for tuition fees, it will also come out for the private run hostels. Private run hostelers, we call it. Those people who run the hostels, or maybe what we call it, PG, in the form of PG. So that notification also is coming out from Education Department, and the order is being issued again today. And the order contains the words like this. It contains the wording like this. Proprietors of private owned hostels proprietors of private-owned hostels in the state of Meghalaya are directed to cease and desist from charging rent from students during the period of the lockdown beginning from 1st April 2020 till further orders. 1st April, because the total lockdown happens from the midst of March, but the notification take effective from 1st April 2020 till further orders. Okay? And again, those students who keep staying from 1st April, maybe because of their exams, or maybe because their parents or the family said, no, please don't come back, you stay there. For those people, they have to pay. You cannot pay, they have to pay. Not that they should not pay. Those who are already there, who are already staying there, who does not wish to go back to their respective places, they have to pay. But those people who has to go, means when the lockdown happened, so all of them, they started leaving the hostels. They don't have to pay the fees. And the fees, the notification says that from 1st April, the proprietor should not charge any hostel fees. Okay? So, again, these were the decisions we taken today. And the last one I should say, I wanted to share with you, relating to the street hawkers. We discuss about this issue because we are also concerned about the livelihood of our poor people who earn their livelihood from these small businesses that they have all along the roadside. For your information, I would like to tell you, we have already constituted, notification was already in place, where we constituted 2 committees. One committee is under the chairmanship of the CEO, Shillong Municipal Board, and the second committee headed by the Deputy Commissioner Shillong or Deputy Commissioner of the respective district, to find out ways and means to make sure that the regulation is in place as far as the street hawkers are concerned. So today we decided in the review meeting, again, we have given the direction to these 2 committees. One is headed by the CEO Shillong Municipal Board, which falls under the jurisdiction of Municipal Board, and the other one is headed by the Deputy Commissioner outside the Municipal Board, to again identify immediately the appropriate places for accommodating these poor people so that their livelihood can be restored. So these are the decisions we taken in the review meeting